Hello, Type here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add new slides in PowerPoint. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I've created a new PowerPoint presentation right here that I'm currently working on. And let's say I want to create more slides. I have one slide right now, as you can see right here. But let's say I want to create an extra slide or more slides. So to create a new slide, you want to go up to the top bar right here, and you want to be on this home right here. And as you can see, if you go down, there's this new slide. And if you press on this green plus icon, it will add a new slide to your presentation. And you can actually just press on this as many times as you would like. And every time it will just create a new slide. As you can see, I've chosen a specific theme for this presentation. So you can also choose different slides. So instead of just clicking on this icon right here, if you just go down a bit to new slide and press on this arrow right here, you can see that you will get the gallery with all of these different options. So every time you press on one of these, it will add the page. And let's say we want a blank slide, we can just press on this and it will add a blank slide. And you can just choose whatever you would like. So we can also choose a title and content, and it will add the slide. So yeah, that is actually how to add slides in PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That was all for now. See you in the next one.